Guys, don't miss today's video. You spend a lot of time on YouTube, but these 2 minutes are going to be very beneficial for you. In this video, we will teach you if someone grab your collar, then how to defend yourself. Today, we will teach you a new technique. So move to the technique. Guys, if someone grab your collar in street fight or road fight, then what should you do here? Now today we will teach you a best technique and new technique and effective technique. So step number 1, first of all, you will round your arm under his arm like this and keep in this position. Now step number 2, you will twist your body in this position. Watch again how to twist my body in this position. Now step number 3, you will keep your other hand in this position on his neck like this. As you can see in the video, lock his neck with your hand and now you can punch on his ribs or belly. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the other side. Yes. Step number 1, down and turn. Now position this. Number 3, down. Number 4, the punch. Step 1, turn. 2, this and lock and then hit. Guys, now I'll show you this technique in fast motion, it works or not. Guys, please support our channel because we are making very good videos for you, and share our video with a lot of people. And thanks a lot of those people who supporting our channel. Now if you are new, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and share our video. Thank you.